go back in for another. I'm not going to lie. That first cocktail has definitely got me on my way. Yeah, the episode is starting to get a little bit more enjoyable. Not going to lie. Why? Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. It's Christmas time. Yeah, so you know we had to do another Wha Gwan episode as it's the run up to Christmas. You get me? So today, it's all about cocktails. Yeah, it's all about cocktails today, people. We got the big bottles of Wha Gwan, as you can see. Yeah, we got the new flavour, the pineapple and coconut. Yeah, we've got all the flavours we need. We've got pineapple, we've got melon, we've got coconut, we've got oranges, we've got limes, we've got bear things. You get me? So today we're going to do 4 cocktails, people. 4 Wha Gwan cocktails, you see me? Yeah, 2 of them is going to be with a cherry and melon, and 2 of them is going to be with a pineapple and coconut. You know what I'm saying? So I hope everyone's in the festive spirit. Anybody who ain't, go away with your bad mind. Because even if you don't celebrate Christmas, I just have vibes, you understand? Yeah, we just have all our vibes and make 2 cocktail and what yoy, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into the first one, which we're going to do today. Yeah. Alright, so for the first one, right, this is the mango Wha Gwan cocktail. I'm not sure the full name we're going to call it. Try and get to that. So, of course, you're going to need the Wha Gwan. And you don't know, cherry and melon. Cork lid and everything, you know what I'm saying? So, let's go in first. I think that should be good. Like that. Okay, so we got cherry and melon Wha Gwan. Now we are going to put in some mango juice. Yeah, some Rubicon mango juice. Try not to lose this lemon in the meantime. So. I would say probably like just maybe 3/4 or just under half of the mango juice. You understand? And then we're gonna add some fresh lime. Yeah. Whoa! Why yoy? At Christmas time, people, man, season 5. It's all about Wha Gwan cocktails today, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, all right. So that is supposed to be good. You know what I'm saying? Cherry and melon, mango juice, and lime juice. We're going to test it and see Wha Gwan. 5 seconds to press the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheers, Cook and Vibe. Cheers to a good year, good health, good food, and good drink. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so. Oh, that's good. That's good. You know what? Maybe in a slightly little bit more mango juice. So I'd say like just under half the carton of mango juice, but it's perfect. And especially if you sip it with the bit of sugar. And you get a little sugar in there as well, you know what I'm saying? It's a good one, man. Sunset Wagwan cocktail. Yeah, let's get busy on some next ideas. Why? Guys, we are on the run up to 50K. Yes, that's right. So don't forget to subscribe, please and thanks. Why? You see this cocktail? It's called Waguan Miji. That's what we're gonna call it. Waguan Miji. You see me? All right. Cherry and melon. Remember, we're gonna do 2 of each. So cherry and melon. Let's go back in for another. I'm not gonna lie. That first cocktail has definitely got me on my way. Yeah, the episode is starting to get a little bit more enjoyable. Not gonna lie. So what we're gonna add to this one, people, we got our cherry and melon Wha Gwan. What we're gonna add to it is a woyoy. We don't wanna lose our limes. You're the big. Bigger. Yeah, Jamaican bigger. It's a fruit punch. You can get this in most shops these days. And if you can't, then just order it online or something. You know the tingo. You get me? So bigger. We're gonna put, I would say that's good. Because we don't wanna rinse out the wild one. You get me? So that much bigger. Look and learn, no measurements. You know the tingo. You get me? We're gonna use some fruits in this one, people. Right, as we got here, we got some orange. So we're gonna, some fresh orange in there. Use the other half as well. Why? Yeah. We're also gonna use half of a lemon in this one as well, just to give it that little, you know what I'm saying? Just to bring out them flavors a little bit. So we've got cherry and melon. We've got bigger, I just dropped a seed in there. We've got orange, we've got lemon. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these little passion fruits as the garnish this time, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm gonna mix and blend, I'm gonna mix and blend. Waguan Miji, the one you name. You see me? So, that one's good to go. And let's try this one. Why? You see me? So, we've got a new style here. You get me? This is how we're running now. It makes sense. And Joe, makes sense. So this one is Waguan Miji. This is Waguan cherry and melon. Jamaican bigger. Orange, fresh orange juice. Fresh lime juice. That should be good. Yeah. And then to finish it off. Why? Why? Yeah. Oi, why? Any which one of them. Because man's had a couple of Wagwans. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so there we have it. This is the Waguan Miji cocktail. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, let's taste it.
Get me GRILLZ jerky hard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why? Taste time. Oh my God. That one is so good. I'm not sure what one's better. This is like a really fruit punch kind of one. The mango, the sunset is like a different flavor. this is really like a fruit punch. And what you can do is you can just give, you understand? And then just, oh, when you get that passion fruit with it as well. 10-10, Waguan Miji. You know what I mean? Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise, you're going to lose all your toenails. Why? All right, this is the pineapple and coconut one. All right, so the new flavor, pineapple and coconut. What we're going to do with this one is we're just going to emphasize on the flavors. Do you know what I'm saying? So we've got a coconut, we've got some pineapple juice, and we've got a pineapple, which has got, I've dug out the inside of the pineapple, as you can see, but there's still some juice in there. You know what I'm saying? So that fresh pineapple juice. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure what we're going to call this one yet, but first of all, you're going to need some pineapple and coconut Waguan. So we're just going to make a one drink out of this one here, people. So probably about that much of the Waguan, okay? I'll go and put in the fresh coconut in there. And I think that should be good. So now it's healthy, you know what I'm saying? Right, we've got our coconut in there. Now we're gonna go in some pineapple juice. I think we just lost the lime. No problem. Why? You understand? The last thing we're gonna add to this one, just to bring it out and change the flavor a little piece, is the lime. And then what we can do, let's get a little bit of lime. Just put that on the side there. You get what I'm saying? There we go. Oh, dropping coconut juice all over the floor. Yeah, man, there you go. You get me? Can I just use the same straw and just, you understand? Yeah. Let me just prop up this coconut because it's dripping everywhere. So we can give that a little stir with the same straw. You get me? How's she looking? She looking good? Why? You get me? Let me know in the comments section what you think. Let me know if you try these out. Send me some videos, send me some pictures. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. There we go. Let's have a try. It's good. That is good. The lime just brings everything out, but you can taste the coconut and the pineapple really nice. Oh, that's a good one, people. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be messy by the end of this episode, people. You get me? But we're on the run up to Christmas, festive vibes, big up Waguan, you get me? Yeah, man, we're there, man, to do some cocktails. So this is our third one. And we're gonna call this, what are we gonna call this one? This one now, Pina Colado. You understand? Pina Colado. Yeah. Waguan. It's a mad thing. That one's really like that. That's completely different from the cherry. Now we're going towards a more of a lighter sort of cocktail, more of a lighter sort of drink. That's very dangerous. You drink that, mate, whew, you don't even know you're drinking it. Really good, man. So there we have it. The Pina Colado. We've got the Waguan Miji. We've got the Waguan Sunset. And we're going to do another one with the pineapple and coconut, you know what I'm saying, to finish the episode, you know what I'm saying. What y'all is Cook and Vibe. This one's a coconut special. I'm too drunk to think of any more names. ones. So we're just gonna call this one the coconut special. And you know we do the thing. We have to make it look nice and presentable. So we're gonna do this one in the coconut. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna do this one in the coconut. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pop it out. Actually, we're just gonna hold that because we don't wanna lose nothing. So we're just gonna do a little mini one, like a one drink. Do you know what I'm saying? Give it that little bit of coconut there. So yeah, little mini one, this one. You get me? Because it's getting there, you know what I'm saying? You know the one there? Why, Christmas time. Pineapple and coconut, brand new flavour. Yeah? And this is a mini drink. Now what we're gonna add to it, we're gonna add some lemon. Yes, that was a very drunken squeeze, wasn't it, people? Hey, I don't know why I thought of doing it that way. The Waguan's kicking in. I'm telling you. We want a passion fruit in there. Yeah. We got our passion fruit in there. Look, let's just change the colour nicely. And all we're going to do is add a little bit of pineapple juice. Yeah. A little mix and blend. And there we have it. There's a little mini one there. And that's the Coconut Passion Surprise. Coconut Passion Surprise. That's a good name, innit? You know what I'm saying? It's a one shot. The one you're one shot. You see me? So, cheers, Cook and Vibe. Again, for the third, fourth time. It's been a good year. I've got another little thing to give you after this. You know what I'm saying? So, oh, it's a good one. Yeah. Nelly swallows a bit of coconut. I felt that. Use a straw. That was really nice. Do you know what? Making it small like that is really nice. If you're not a big drinker, just do yourself a little, tiny little, you know what I'm saying? Just ease yourself through the night. You know what I'm saying? I got one more thing for you people. You get me? It's Cook and Vibe. I'm drunk. Oi. 5 seconds to press the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now this is a really cool idea. I've done this before with rum, but this time we're gonna do it with cherry and melon because it's a melon. So you wanna get yourself a watermelon. And what you're gonna do is you wanna make like a hole in the melon. All right. Now you want to make sure you don't poke the bottom and hit the bottom. You don't want to do that. All right, so as you can see, right, people, look, I've made a little hole there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that a little bit bigger, all right? And I'm going to tip some Waguan cherry and melon inside, just enough to it full, because there's not a lot of room in there yet. But what's going to happen, you're going to leave this for 7 days, all right? So when you've done it the first time, you're gonna put it in the fridge, cover it up, cover the top it up, put it in the fridge. The next day, round about the same time, you're gonna go back, fill it up again, put it back in the fridge. Each day, it will soak into the melon. You get me? So at the end of them 7 days, you're gonna have Waguan Melon. It's not a joke. Trust me, you know we don't do things normal. Can't even talk properly. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna make a bigger hole, put some Waguan cherry melon inside, and keep doing that for 7 days. You understand? Mad thing. Well, there we go. Right. All right. So what we're gonna do now is just, see that? Look. It's filled up already. Like I say, it's a slow process thing. Now, that's got some Wagwan in it. Like I say, we're going to cover that up. We're going to put that in the fridge. Tomorrow, again, fill it up again. And we're going to do that for 7 days. And at the end of the 7 days, when you cut that melon open, Wagwan. Oi, oi, people! It's a mad thing. So, yeah. So, that was Cook and Vibe. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can go and try out these recipes. And I hope that it brings you a joyful time. You get me, guys? Bring me a joyful. It's been a stressful day today. And as soon as I started doing this episode and sip one of them drinks there, why? You understand? So yeah, man, I'm good vibes, people. You know how the thing go. And yeah, it's time for the ooh, is it big up section now, or should we do the news segment? I'm not too sure yet. I'm gonna make my mind up after this. But either which way, I'll see you soon, people. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share, and make sure you go follow Wha Gwan so you can order yours online. All the information is down below in the description. Big up yourself. But the big up section, you done know, people. Leave a comment for your chance to get your big up. Why? You done know, people. It's the big up section. You know what I'm saying? I hope everyone enjoyed this week's episode. Yeah, man, a little vibes, you know. Big up E-Snap. Yeah, big up E-Snap. It says blessings from Colorado, my G. Big up. You get me? So big up everyone in Colorado. You get me? Respect the thing. Also, big up Mill Boys Podcast. You get me? He said love from Canada, my guy. Big up. You get me? So big up Canada. Big up Colorado. Big up the whole of the USA. Big up the whole of Canada. Big up the whole of the UK. Of course, big up Jamaica. And big up the whole Caribbean. And big up the whole world. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, big up the whole world, man. It's Cook and Vibe. I'll see you soon. Oi, people, I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and press that subscribe button. See you next week.